This video will show you how to sign into accounts using your OpenID. OpenID is a great new standard in the web that allows you to have just one ID that lets you sign into many different sites. In fact, you might already have an OpenID and not even know it. One of the biggest OpenID providers is AOL. If you have an AOL account, you already have an AOL OpenID. It's just openid.aol.com/your username. Let's try an example. We're going to go to the site www.vote.com. Click Login and you'll notice we've entered our OpenID. This is the part that might be a little confusing at first. You actually have to type in openid.aol.com/ and there you would put your screen name. Don't actually type my screen name. Put in your name, like Bob23 or whatever your AOL account is. And if you're sick of typing this over and over again every time you log in, you can copy and paste it. A good trick is to send yourself an email with this OpenID, and that way in your inbox you'll always have it, and you can just highlight it, do a copy, and go to this text field and do a paste, and then you don't have to type it in manually each time. When you click that login button, you'll come to a screen like this, where it's going to ask you for your AOL password. And you just use your normal AOL password that you've used all along. And you'll notice to the left it says the website www.vote.com/login is requesting to verify your AOL identity. So you know that Vote is the one asking for you to sign in. Now, if you don't have an AOL account, you have a couple options. You can always register for a new AOL account, and that'll work just fine. Or if you want, there are several other OpenID providers. Let's go over them now. ClaimID.com is a popular one, and if you go to their site and register, you'll get your very own OpenID from ClaimedID, which looks like this. That's ClaimedID.com, my screen name. Just like we did with AOL, you're actually going to type in claimid.com/Bob23 or Susan56 or whatever name you picked. MyOpenID.com is another popular one. When you register with them, your ID looks something like Bob23.myopenid.com or Susan56.myopenid.com. It's a little different than AOL and the claimed one we just did because your username is at the beginning, not at the end. Another big provider is Yahoo. If you already have a Yahoo account, you can easily set it up to be an OpenID. It doesn't work right out of the box the way AOL does. You have to do a little setup first. And to do that, you go to openid.yahoo.com, sign in, and go through the steps to set up your Yahoo OpenID. And when you do, you're going to get an ID that's something like me.yahoo.com/Bob23 or Susan56, or it could be a big long sequence of letters and numbers the way Yahoo does it. But the important thing to remember is it's me.yahoo.com. When you go through the login process, your OpenID provider might present you with a choice like this: allow forever, allow once, or deny. If you click allow once, it means you're going to log in successfully, but you have to do this every single time. If you do allow forever, that means you only have to do this once, and it'll be much easier to sign in next time. But if you click deny, it's going to cancel the login and you won't be able to get in. To end this video, we wanted to go over a series of real-world examples of people entering in slightly wrong information and show you how to correct it. In this first example, someone entered just a normal username. They forgot the AOL or the me.yahoo or the myopenid.com part. They entered in just a normal username. That's not enough information. Now they've got the right idea, but they made a small mistake. It's not openid.com/username, it's myopenid.com/username. This one's close, but it's not openid.yahoo.com/username, it's me.yahoo.com/username. OpenID.yahoo.com is where you go to set it up, but your actual OpenID is me.yahoo.com. This one's very, very close. It's just missing a single period. It's magpie1.myopenid.com. This one's trying to do a combination of a bunch of stuff. If it's actually a Yahoo OpenID, it would be me.yahoo.com/f-14. If he's trying to do a myopenid.com address, it would be f-14.myopenid.com. This one's close, but it's not claim.com, it's claimid.com. This one has two problems. There's no www in front of it, and they misspelled myVadoop. They forgot the P at the end. So it's just h-m.myvadoop.com. MyVadoop is another provider we didn't cover here, but it's very interesting. It allows you to log into your account without using a password. Instead, they use graphical images. We hope this video has helped you understand OpenID, and we look forward to seeing you on vote.com.